how you transform something that is ready to cook into something gourmet. Kaya gagawa tayo ng Crispy Burger Italiana. Let's start cooking! So, ito yung bago kong favorite, ang CDO Crispy Burger, kasi napakadali niyang lutuin. Ang maganda dito kasi, hindi mo siya kailangang i-deep fry para maluto at maging crispy. I will just heat up my pan and oil, no? Yung oil natin, just enough to cover the bottom. So, ito na siya. Hindi na tayo gagamit ng chicken fillet na i-bread natin. Kundi, ito na siya. Ready to fry yung ating CDO Crispy Burger. Una natin gagawin ang sauce para sa ating recipe. I will season. Just enough salt. A little bit of black pepper. Yan. And lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting dried basil. Oh. So, itong ating oil is already hot enough. Ilalagay na natin yung ating crispy burgers, which is not only fun to eat, but also fun to cook. Sobrang dali lang niya. Look at that, no? Yan. Sizzle na kagad siya, no? So, just add it there. It is made from a beefy burger patty coated with breadcrumbs. It's everyone's favorite beefy burger with a fun, crispy twist. So, it cooks very quickly. Oh, di ba? Oh. Turn around. Baliktad na natin yung ating crispy burgers. Look at that. While pinapa-crispy mo yung kabilang side, lalagyan na natin na ating spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce. Actually, kung ketchup, pwede din, di ba? Just put it on top. Spread lang natin siya. Manage the heat. We don't want to burn. And we will grate our cheese on top. Ganyan. Oh, very nice. Optional, if you want to make it even more malinamnam, you can just add a little bit of butter. Ito, konting butter. Around a tablespoon or less. Diyan sa ating pan. To add flavor. Lagyan natin ng konting pa-parsley effect, no? Para, oh, di ba? Oh, pwedeng dry, pwedeng fresh. And we will cover so that the cheese will melt. Kaya guys, try nyo tong recipe na to. Sobrang easy to do. And if you want to know more recipes, you can also grab a copy of my cookbooks. Simpol, the Simpol series. Meron tayong Simpol, the cookbook, Simpol Kitchen Secrets, at Baking Simpol na available sa Lazada and Shopee. And look at that. Oh my God. Hindi ka talaga magkakamali ditong ating recipe. So crispy, you know. The melted cheese, ang bango-bango. Perfecto. Sarap. Mabango. Nakakatakam. And ito, a little bit of garnish. Gumawa na ako ng tomato and cucumber salad for some freshness. Diba? Balanced meal tayo. And ang pinaka-cheesy na piece aking titikman. Look at that. Crispy talaga, oh. Ito, naririnig ko na siya kaagad. Yan. Lasa po talaga yung linamnam ng beef. Sulit talaga siya pang ulam. Ating CDO Crispy Burger. So crispy, ang saya. And I'm sure if you do it at home, your family will love it too. And ito na siya. Sigurado akong mai-in-love kayo sa recipe na to. Ang ating Crispy Burger Italiana. Simpol!